People often think dogs and cats drink water the same way, but did you know they actually don't? Dogs curl their tongues like a scoop to lift the water up so they can gulp a lot at once, but that also makes them splash everywhere. Cats, though, have a much more careful way of doing it. When the tip of their tongue touches the water, they snap it back super fast, creating a tiny column of water, then close their mouths just in time to catch it before it falls. If you watch it in slow motion, you'll see cats flick their tongues up to 4 times per second. They don't drink much, but they're tidy, and they never spill a drop.